Wow, you really optimized your space on that box.
It's maximized.
Yes, sir. How much
I had
port?
to do that to keep my back seats.
How much port area?
Like 400.
400.
We met at Noki.
Yeah. Whoa, this is nice.
That's my main vehicle. This is just.
I remember that.
This is just my tow vehicle.
Yes, sir. So name and full walk around real quick.
Name's Walt Johnson. Team Nemesis Walt. Most people know me as that. We got 6 DB515s. Currently running on one Salt 8K.
Okay.
6 banks of excess power yin longs. Got dual 300 Rand
Speech
X
synthesis
alternators.
is now active.
Wow.
Do you mind if he sits in the back?
Speech synthesis is now active.
Wow. Did you meter this yet?
Speech synthesis
Have you
is
metered
now
it yet?
I did subsonic suicide last week. But
Okay.
that's about it.
Ready? What was that frequency? You know, that thing peaks really well. Is it peaking higher or lower?
It peaks lower.
Lower, okay.
Looks great, man.
Wow.
Sounds even better.
You got another vehicle.
Awesome.
How long you had this vehicle? This must be the new one. Yeah, had a couple of weeks. I ain't seen this. Couple of months. It's cool to be able to set 4 people though and play by it, you know? I gotta find music. It's all new to me, man.
I understand. What kind of lithium? Or
That's 6 banks of the excess power yin longs.
Ying Longs, okay.
Yeah, so that's what I want. I'll tell you what.
Are they still breaking in? The subs, are they fully broken in or?
Well, I mean, it's only been playing for a little over a week, so.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Sold out. 2 of them? Just one for right now.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Whoa. So you only have one of those hooked up?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. What's your ohm load with the 6 on it?
0.66.
0.66? Okay. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah. With both of them hooked up, they were going to protect. The box had
Really?
almost no rise.
Oh, okay.
So it was rising from 0.33 to like 0.4.
0.4. Really? Oh,
Yeah.
Efficient then. But that's sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you, Walt. Nice to meet you, man.
No problem, man. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Woo. Does your back open up at all? Could you open the back, or is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Wow, you really optimized your space on that box.
It's maximized.
Yes, sir. How
I
much
had to
port?
do that to keep my back seats.
How much port area?
Like 400
400.
inches.
Wow. That is massive. Nice work, Walt.
Thank you.
Appreciate you showing me.
No problem.
going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.